Hello friends, welcome back to my channel ArtWindow. The day to celebrate brotherhood and love is approaching. Yes, you guessed it right. I am speaking about Raksha Bandhan. Let's cherish this occasion by making a personalized Rakhi. So without further more delay, let's begin. Materials needed are quilling strips, thread, Fevicol, scissor, rounder, few stickers and few beads, foam paper and a quilling tool. First you need 6 pink quilling strips and your quilling tool. Now we need to stick them together to form a small circle. Our inner circle is ready. Now let us start with the yellow part. For the double color, you need yellow and brown quilling strips. Take a yellow strip and a brown one, and you need to stick it one on another in this way. Then start quilling. Our circles are ready. Now you just need to give them a shape. Give them a diamond shape. Take the pink circle ready. Take 3 yellow strips, then fold them into half. And tear them apart because you need 6 small side strips. Take the small strip and start quilling it. After you make it, give it a drop shape. Our drop shapes are ready. All you need to do is now assemble them. Three of them together. Now let it to dry for a while. When it dries completely, start with the stickers. It's looking pretty, isn't it? Now we need to put 2 golden beads on the side. For the base of the Rakhi, I have cut a circle of 2 centimeters. Now it's time to put the thread, turn it around, firmness, I have put a foam sheet behind it. Let it to dry for a while. Our Rakhi is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.